My advocacy is to send everybody an awareness regarding on the beauty and benefits of being a cyclist. Did you know that life is like riding a bicycle? To keep your balance, you must keep on moving. As a cyclist, I can say that nothing compares to the simple pleasure of riding a bike. When riding, I feel free and liberated from the usual nonsense of a day-to-day life. It takes away my stress. Yes, cycling makes your body tired because of the ups and downs trails along the road, but it helps a lot on your mental health. Cycling can significantly reduce feelings of anxiety. We also know that cycling has a lot of benefits on our physical health, like it increased cardiovascular fitness, increased muscle strength and flexibility. Cycling improves mental and physical well-being of a person. But did you know that cycling did not only benefit the cyclist itself? Cycling also promotes environmental awareness, wherein it helps to protect biodiversity. Riding your bike offers a pollution-free mode of the transport. Riding a bike expands your eco-friendly footprint by keeping you off the city's congested streets. Every time you take your bicycle, you're giving the planet a much-needed break. Cycling is really beautiful. Now that we know how great being a cyclist is, I can wait for you to take your first pedal step to spread awareness on the beauty benefits of being a cyclist. This would bring all of us to a joyful and healthy lifestyle, as well as a more clean and pollution-free environment. Mother Nature would be happy too. To my fellow DComCians, come and join to be a cyclist to achieve healthy body and mind. I am Bon Joshua Aguilar and this is my advocacy.